Well, hello there, chemistry class. Happy Friday. Welcome to the weekend. Today we are doing a video lab, 8-11. Make sure to wear your safety goggles and hair ties if you have long hair, as you will be using flames in today's lab. For today's lab, the 8-11 lab questions are on Google Classroom. You can use your own paper and write the answers to those questions, or if you can print it out and you want to write directly on 8-11, that will work as well. When you have answered all the lab questions, be sure to share it with me and send it to my email, either using pictures or scanning or however you want to get it to my email. Please do not submit work, though, using Google Classroom. And by the way, thank you for your effort. You have been doing an outstanding job our first week of doing the e-learning, and I want to congratulate you on your tremendous effort. You've been doing a great job. Please reach out to your friends that are in the chemistry class to see how they're doing. We do have many students that haven't really started any of the assignments, and if you can reach out to any of your friends to see how they're doing in here, it might really help them get started. I would appreciate your help in that regard. Have a fantastic weekend. Next week's assignments will be posted sometime over the weekend, so start looking perhaps late Saturday afternoon or into Sunday or whenever you get a chance. But the assignment should be posted over this weekend for next week. And I leave you with a thought of the day from me. Those making the most of the least find the riches in life. Have a great weekend. We will see you.